Assalamualaikum viewers, I'm Mahian Jalil. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to give you a proper guideline how can you connect with your friends, family or relatives in WhatsApp. So let's get started. Now I'm going to my WhatsApp. So here you go. Okay, now I have to go this. First, I want to show you how can I add WhatsApp account. First, I am showing you how can I invite my friends here. Now you have to tap on message or Facebook or Zoom, anything. I'm tapping on message. After that, I chose my father. Here you can see it's just an invitation that he can join WhatsApp easily. So you have to send it, then he will come to WhatsApp and it will help. After, another way is you can add by save that number. You have to give name, you have to give that number that contain WhatsApp, then it automatically comes here. Here you can see it will come here. You have to refresh it, then it will come. Okay, now I'm showing you how can you start conversation. First you have to come here. After that you have to tap on the contract. I am choose this. Now you can type anything you want and then you can send easily. Here you go, it's sent. Now I give some basic information about conversation. You can delete it by tap on this and hold for some second, it will come, and after that you have to press on this. You can see there are two options. One, delete from everyone. It will delete from his point and my point also. And another option is delete for me. It will delete only for me, not for him. So if I give delete from everyone, he will not see what I messaged him. So it's an basic information. After that you can mute the notification, or if you want to search any message from this conversation, you can tap on search. Also you can change wallpaper it from here. You can choose anything from here or your gallery here. Okay, after that you can block this number by press more. You can see here is a option called block. If you tap on block, he will blocked. He unable to text you anything by pressing those. You can clear the chat if you press this, and you can also add shortcut by your home page. It will be default. If you want to call him, you have to press on this. If you want to give a video call, then you have to press on this. Then if you want to give any voice record, you have to press on this. Okay, if you want to give anything like documents, image, you have to click on it. Okay, I'm unblocking him. if you want to unblock from here, you have to tap on it. Otherwise, another option is there. You can unblock by here. It's the same process. If you want to send any emoji, you have to choose here. And that's the basic information about conversation. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Do like, comment and share with your friends and family.